Inside walls filled with decades of Swiss watchmaking history, where tradition meets innovation, we create with purpose. Passion guides our hands, and every detail tells a story. Precision is our language, and quality our promise. Timepieces created with a vision, and engineered to last. Each Swiss military watch is genuinely Swiss-made, for you to experience wherever you go. Swiss Military by Chrono, backed by a 5-year warranty. Officially licensed product of the Swiss Confederation.